How's it going, everyone? I want to talk about one of the most trending stocks, and that is Fubo, as it ran up 251% in literally one day here. And then even after hours, it even ran up to like a high of 658. So we're going to go over exactly what I see here. And I see this set up a lot when the price comes this much above the counter channel. And I can even show you like the ATR that this is on. This is at a 4 right now. If I go up in value, you can see that we are literally at almost an 8 ATR right here. Price is definitely not going to hold this area. I've very rarely ever see price hold this. We can go even to one of the biggest pumps like AMC and GameStop, even FFIE. You can see how price hits an ATR of 8 on my Keltner channel. Even the biggest pumps ever, it gets shorted down tremendously. And then I can show you GameStop. But I just want to show you guys this. Like this just isn't sustainable for Fubo. And where is price going to come back to here? We get close to it. Not even it hasn't even actually touched it. We get really close and we sell off. Price will come back to these EMAs. So and then we'll look at FFIE, one of the biggest pumps we've had in 2024. Same exact pattern where we get very close to it. We hit this, we sell off dramatically, and we try to make a new high, but and then at the end of the time, it sells off. So is Fubo going to be different? I don't think it's going to be different at all because price is just imbalanced. You know, it can't be sustained above this. We're actually above this right now because as you can see, you know, we went to like 658 and that was a, you know, it just couldn't do that. We dropped about 25% from that 658 high. But yeah, I just want to show you guys because with these settings, I've yet to see a price go above ATR 8. I'll go back to my original 4 and you can see, you know, price will be correct. And where does price go back to? And that's what I'm saying is those EMAs, the EMA 5, 10, and the 20. I could be totally wrong. Maybe we could have one more day of pumping. I just don't really see it happening without a big dump. And that's healthy. I don't think there's anything wrong with that. I think this definitely needs it. And when it does go back down, I'd be looking for a buy. It's just I'm saying I wouldn't buy it up in this area. Has Fubo ever penetrated my top counter channel of just a 4? We have seen it right in here, and then it went back down. And then you see how, like, when you touch this and you go back down, and then you had that move up. These are really the areas I like to buy it at that EMA 5. And you can see that was a beautiful 27% return. But as you can see, when you're below the EMA 50, you're in a downtrend. We hit the 50, drop down. We hit the 50, drop down. This thing loves to go to the 50 and it loves to reject it. So hit the 50, and it keeps going. Till we've seen right in here on July 16th, we started seeing some momentum to the upside where the 50 has started to become the bottom. And then we went back to the downtrend here. And then obviously with this big massive move, you can see how it's tied switch. This is an amazing move right here. There's no doubt about it that we're in an uptrend. Anybody could see that you know the EMA 5 is way above and the EMA 50 is way below, and that's good because you want the lower EMAs up there, and that's where I would look for a support on the bounce. I am going to buy this on the EMA 5 because I just don't see this crashing all the way down to the EMA 20, as that is a nice area to add, but I can see the 5 being touched and we make that nice beautiful bounce. EMA 5 and 10 are always going to be your most biggest bounces is what I've noticed because the momentum's fresh. If this just starts crashing down to that 5, which is at 260, obviously this is going to fluctuate, so you need to see what that daily candle is going to be. I'm making this video pre-market, but maybe this will be in the $3 range. But yeah, so basically price is going to come to the EMA, or the EMAs go to the price. And that's really how this works when you're in an uptrend. EMAs go up each day because price is very bullish. But, long story short, I definitely would not buy it in this area. It's just I barely ever, the biggest squeezes in the world, I have not seen any stock stay above that area. Fubo has had a beautiful squeeze. It had the 8 ATR on it on the Keltner channel, but I just don't see it staying, massively above that. I use these settings because these are really overextended. If you're in the Discord, you have these settings. And how I use them with how to trade with the trend, trading against the trend, and all that. But let's wait for the EMA 5, see when it happens. I think it might take a couple days to hit it. Maybe I don't see it hitting in one day. I think we can get a nice drop down, or we could just like kind of stagnate and consolidate up in this area. So we'll definitely see. If you guys want to join the premium Discord, click the link down below in the YouTube comments below, and in the description will say join the premium Discord for my alerts system. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. What you want to do to be a member is all you have to do is hit day trade alerts right here, and you'll get access to swing trades and day trades for only 12 bucks a month. And you're going to get the education, the live streams, one-on-one mentorship, and exactly why I take trades instead of just signals. Okay. If that's too much, you can just hit swing trade alerts, and that's only $6 a month. But I highly recommend the both service day trades and swing trades because swing trades can take some time. I'm in a stock right now that is covered calls, and I'm till it goes up, then I make money, right? And so with the day trading, you make money every day, no matter what, win or loss, using a very nice strategy of selling credit spreads, and it's actually one of my most favorite. But if you hit server shop up in here, you can see the two memberships: Swing Trading Plus, $6, or the Day in Swing Trading Plus will have your name in gold for only 12 bucks a month. And if you subscribe on your computer, it'll avoid the iOS fee. And if you have an Android, you will have to do it on your computer. And once you do subscribe, you can use your phone just as fine. I highly recommend that for iPhones and Androids. But hope this analysis helps you. Just wanted to just give a little caution. It's just I've seen this set up a lot. Can this be different? Yes, but I just don't see this how this can really uphold this momentum without some correction, and that is a very healthy correction. That doesn't mean it's I'm bearish. Like I said, I'm willing to buy Fubo if it touches this EMA 5, and I'll buy more at the EMA 10. That's really the areas I want to buy it. All right, guys, give this video a like, subscribe, comment. I just want to give this video out before the market opens. Happy trading, guys. I'll see you in the Discord, and I'll also be going live for the members in the Discord. Hit the RTK live stream. You'll see the link here. You can follow me, and we'll go in live real time on exact setups I like. All right, guys, happy trading and peace out.